Tchaikovsky's Swan theme is our piece of music to read for today. This hauntingly beautiful melody is going to require us to learn a little bit more about the accidentals we were talking about last time. Welcome to part 16 in my series on reading music for guitar. If you need to start from the beginning, my channel has a full step-by-step guide that'll teach you how to read music on the guitar with play-along examples. You can get the PDF for the whole series down in the description. It's totally free. And today we're going to be venturing on to page 16. That theme from Swan Lake is going to be the very last one we play today, but first we need to get a little bit of context. In the last video, we learned how to locate an F-sharp note, just one fret higher than an F. Today we're going to do something similar and locate a C-sharp. So here's your C that you know already, and it's the same concept, right? The sharp is just going to move it up one half step, or in other words, up one fret. That's a C-sharp. If our song uses all natural notes except for F sharp and C sharp, that means we're in the key of D. And just like we did last time with the key of G, here is a D major scale. Again, this is just all the notes in the key of D put together in a long unbroken chain. Read the scale with me, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Again. One more time. Now this song is not the Swan Lake theme by Tchaikovsky. This one's a little bit easier, so it's going to help us work up to it. Just like last episode, notice how the sharps that we're going to need, F sharp and C sharp, get moved all the way over to the beginning of the song. This is a key signature. We've got to check for this every time we play a new song to know where the sharps are going to be. Now that we have F sharp and C sharp in your head, just scan through the song, see if you can locate the F sharps and the C sharps that we're going to have to watch out for. So set your inner beat and let's give this a try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. As usual, I'm guessing most of you know that song, so repeat it enough times that you can really tell what it is, and leave me a comment if you can name it. But once you feel ready, let's get to the main event. Here's that Swan Lake theme from Tchaikovsky. Now run through your checklist. We got to make a note of the time signature to know how many beats are going to be in each measure. We got to see the key signature. We got to know what sharps we're going to watch out for. Scan through a second, see if you can find some C sharps, find some F sharps. Help you get prepared a little bit. Set your inner beat, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good reading. And that's a really beautiful one. I would highly encourage you to perfect that one. Give it enough repeats that you can really do it perfectly. It's also important that we really get used to these sharps, because next time we're going to take a look at a different type of accidental, the flat. So stay tuned for that. Leave me a comment if you got any questions. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson, and I'll see you soon.